Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide voicemail notifications content on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the phone app. In here, tap on the more button at the top, and from the pop-up menu tap on settings. In the code settings page, we scroll down and tap on voicemail. In here, tap on notifications, then go down and tap on lock screen. Now in here you can choose show content or hide content, or don't show notifications. So if you choose to hide content, it still shows the notifications, but anyone on the lock screen will not be able to see the content. And that's it. So that is how you can show or hide the voicemail notification content on the lock screen. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your phone app, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.